So we've solved all kinds of equations. You've solved them with variables on one side of the equal sign, okay? Today, though, we're going to be looking at solving an equation with variables on both sides of the equal sign. I like to call it bringing baby to mama. You know, when you check out that video, and then you'll notice that there's this strong drive for the duckies to be together, right? Mama duck is like literally circling the drain, waiting for her little babies to be brought back to her. Well, I like to, when we're looking at an equation, okay, I like to look at the variable terms and assume and imagine that they are duckies, okay? So go with me on this analogy. So taking a look at these two duckies, mama is the bigger ducky, okay? So mama is the larger value. Which one is larger, 7 or 4? Yeah, right? So we're going to call this mama, and then we'll call the smaller one, 7's larger than 4. They're both the variable terms. The variable terms are baby and mama. Mama's bigger, baby is smaller, okay? So what I'd like for you to do is start getting used to that and think of it in terms of value. The variable terms that are on separate sides, they're like little duckies that have been separated, and they're separated by this equal sign. Think of it as like that drain. And baby wants to be with mama, and baby needs to find mama, and baby needs to come to mama. So to do that, watch. You're going to bring baby to mama. And to do that, we have a positive 4, okay? Well, think about it, people. If we had a two-stepper like this, I don't know, whatever, what would you do? How would you make this 5 go away? You would take a look at it. It's a positive 5. You would subtract it, right? That's what we're going to do. We're going to take this. We're going to treat it like one term. It's a positive. So for us to make it cancel, we're going to show a negative and show the sign in front. And you can do that to both sides. We're literally bringing baby over to mama. Baby cancels. And then we got baby to mama. Mama is 7. So 7 minus 4 is 3. This is 3x. Copy, copy. Okay, and then you're down to where you've been before, a typical two-stepper. Take away 2 from both sides, and you're left with, right, a couple other little steps. Divide by 3, x is 5. So when I say bring baby to mama, that means I'm referring to the variable terms. The variable term with the smaller coefficients, we're gonna call baby. And we're usually going to bring baby over to mama, meaning we're going to make baby cancel. Okay, and I have reasoning for that. Okay, so sometimes baby's on the right, sometimes baby's on the left. It just depends on the equation, okay? Let's take a look at another one. I've got about 4 examples for you. So take a look at this. In your mind, be thinking, okay, where's baby, where's mama? Where's baby, where's mama? So which one is which? Which of the variable terms? Good. We got baby, and we got mama. This is similar to that last one, okay? But look, we have a minus 27. This is a negative 27. So be careful. When you move this negative stays with the 27. So we're going to bring baby to mama. Bye-bye, baby. Hello, mama. You can do the same thing. Both sides. Opposite of positive is negative. Bye-bye, hasta luego. Bye-bye, baby. And we're left with 6m minus 5m is 1m. I don't usually write the 1, but I'm writing it for some reason. Plus 3 equals what? You have to remember this is a negative 27. So either just remember it, or if you know you're not going to remember it, what you might want to do is rewrite it like many moons ago, so you know that you've got a negative 27. And then now look, people, we've got a simple little, it's really a one-stepper, right? M equals negative 27 and negative 3, negative 30. Okay? So you're bringing baby to mama. And what you're really doing is you're solving an equation that has variables on both sides of the equal sign. And if that's the big deal, it's a big deal. It's got variables on both sides. Well, your job is to bring them together, like mama duck and baby duck. Now, take a look at this. Okay, focus, focus. Decide who's baby, who's mama. We're only looking at variable terms to decide. We're not going to be looking at these guys. So the variable terms will be the duckies. Okay, you're just kind of jealous because I'm an artist and you're not. So which one's baby and which one's mama? Good. Baby is smaller. Mama's bigger. Okay, so, this is different. Now we have a negative. How are we going to make it cancel? Very good. We're going to add 2x to both sides. You bring it over here. You literally bring baby to mama. You don't bring it over here to the cousin. And these cancel because you made them cancel. We're left with a positive 13 equals 3x plus 2x is 5x. Baby and mama are together. Minus 7. Okay? And then from here you can finish it up. We got a two-stepper. Más siete, 20. Add 7 to both sides, divide 5, and you'll get your final answer. Okay? That's bringing baby to mama, meaning the variable term, the lower one, we're going to bring to the larger one, okay? You might also have a situation like this, people. What do you think we do here first? Good, you're right. First, this one involves distributing. Let's distribute. And then look, baby to mama. So who's baby and who's mama? Good. I'll just put a B in an M or an M and a B. So baby's smaller. Good. So baby's 3, mama's 5. Minus 3. Bye-bye, hasta luego, ciao. It's positive 9, so we'll put a positive 9. If there were a subtraction sign, you'd have to put the negative. Okay, and then you're back to a two-stepper. Okay, minus 15, negative 6, 2x, and then you would solve. Okay? All right, very good. Oh, all right, for those of you that have to have the answer is negative 3. All right, I got one more for you. It's like a word problem. You may not have seen them worded like this, so I thought we'd go over it. Now look at this. 5 more than 4 times a number is the same as 3 less than twice a number. Well, you can act like it's a big deal, but it's not. Let's go one at a time. So, what's 5 more than something? Good. Adding 5. Adding 5 to what? 5 more than 4 times a number. So how do we show 4 times a number? Good. I'll put 4b. Because we'll use one as, I don't know. I shouldn't have used B. I did. Okay, now, is the same as. So that means that this is the same as. This is equal to. Right? It's another way to say equals. Now, let's see what it's equal to. Let's see what it is the same as. Now, it's equal to 3 less than how much? Twice the number. What do you mean the number? Well, twice the number, meaning twice the number we've already mentioned. So guess what? Your variable will be 2, the coefficient is 2, the variable is b. Okay? So this is 5 more than 4 times the number, is the same as 3 less than twice the number. So here you have it. From here, you should be able to bring baby to mama. You got variables on both sides. I'm going to take baby, bring it over to mama, baby to mama, baby to mama, 2b, or not 2b. Now look, negative 3. You have to negative 3. If you're going to forget that, then you need to be the kind that always rewrites it. All right? And then from here, you would solve it. I'm going to subtract 5. This is a two-stepper, right? Minus 5, both sides. Negative 8. And then in the end, if you solve it, it's going to be like negative 4. Okay? So the only new step here, the only thing I've really shown you that's different is bringing baby to mama. You saw the little duckies get separated, and they really wanted to be together. It's just a natural drive. So that's the same with these variable terms. Okay? When they're separated by the equal sign, or you could imagine like this is the drain of life. When the duckies are separated, it's your job to bring them back together. Okay, so that is standard. It is an 8th grade standard. You will be expected to know that in algebra, and if you're going to Common Core 8, you'll be expected to know that. Well, actually, they'll teach it to you. So there you have it. We've solved equations with variables on both sides. When I say baby to mama, hopefully you get the idea. That means we're bringing the variable terms correctly together. Okay? Thank you.